What's up YouTube? How you guys doing? This is your boy Yardy Wall Street, and today is Tuesday, and you know how we do it every Tuesday. We deposit a minimum of $30 in our tradition IRA. Yes, and today the market is still going wild. All right, what are you doing, people? Now this is for people who out there who think they need a lot of money. Okay, regular guy like me, this is how you invest, and this is all what we're doing on this channel. Okay, so we have 6 portfolio. We have Roth IRA, which we did yesterday. Today is our tradition IRA. Tomorrow is our Robinhood account. Thursday is our Fidelity. Friday we do some crypto, and Saturday we do our Fundrise real estate. All right, yes, so let's dive in it. Okay, so yes, tradition IRA, right? So today we make a deposit of $32, right? And we put it in SCHG. Yes, people. Everybody know that stocks. It's a very popular Charles Schwab growth stocks. And guess what? Today we have our full share. Yes, look at it. Here it is right here. Look, 1 share. I got 1 share. All right, and my current balance is 45, and as you can see it highlight, we also have AbbVie. We get some dividends from AbbVie, and that's how we keep it real simple. All right, this is my traditional IRA in Fidelity account. And look, and even though the market is down and the market is spinning around and doing a lot of stuff, we have a balance of $37.69. Yes, and this is money that we make off of this portfolio. All right, only thing we're doing is dollar cost average. That's all you need, people. Dollar cost average, nothing else to it. And we only have 4 habits, right? Discipline, consistent, patient, cash. You need cash. Okay, and this is it. We keep on repeat. All right, we don't do day trade, we don't do trade option. Shout out to all my people who do that. All right, yes, but we do it the long, boring, safe way. All right, nothing is safe, but listen me, this is what we do. 90% ETF, all right, and 10% stocks. Remember, we're starting from $25, and now we're sitting at $426, and we're counting. All right, and our next week, Tuesday, all right, whatever is down, that's what we're gonna buy. All right, well, VIG, that's another ETF. We only have $13. I have mine on current balance, so the one with the smallest cash, it stays at the bottom, or the one that drops. Okay, yeah, but listen me, this is how we do it. We have $50 in FFSM, that's a Fidelity's ETF. We got $49, and listen me, and we're making some money too. We have $8 in there, that's my biggest all-in. AbbVie $3, you know, and it go on and on and on. All right, we're making some money, right? We're making progress, and this is compound interest at its best. And remember, we say every single dollar is a worker. All right, you have to make your money work for you, and right now this is working. All right, it's working. And remember, we say this portfolio, we're trying to make this go to 15K by 2030. All right, and remember, we have 5 other portfolio who try the same thing, 15K. All right, and you know, I'm trying to reach 100,000. all right, right here on YouTube. All right, so let me know, guys, if you whosoever, how you invest. Let me know your style, what you do. All right, and remember, this is for people who think that you gotta have a lot of money to invest. You don't. You just gotta do your homework. All right, pick your stocks, pick your ETF. If you're a beginner, you could pick your ETF. You should. All right, it's easy. You could Google it. You could go and just do your research. Basically, that's what I do. I do all these stocks that I have. I do my research. I could have 1 stocks, or maybe 2, or maybe 3. All right, I could have started off that way, but this is how I started. All right, a lot of people would say, "Oh, you're spreading yourself thin," but no, it's not thin. If I'm a long-term investor, it doesn't matter. All right, as long as it's good blue chip stocks, over the time my average cost will go down. All right, and listen me, The market is crashing right now, and that's what we want. We love to see red. Okay, when you see red, that means the market is on sale. A lot of people panic, and you're getting it the wrong way. All right, for instance, if you see a shoes for $200, right, and you say, man, that is expensive, and then next week you see it's on sale for 120, which one is you're gonna buy it first? The one is on sale for 120, right? So why would you? It's the same thing with stocks. When stocks drop, it's just the price drop. Your share don't drop. See, all my shares here stay the same. All right, this is what you're supposed to concentrate on, the shares. All right, every week you try add more to your shares. The price, these are the price. See the prices, let me show you the prices. These are the price. See, these are the price. These go up and down. All right, when the market go down, it goes down, and when it go up. All right, but you guys are watching it, you're doing it wrong. This is what you watch over here. This is it. All right, this right here, these. You see now, today I deposit $32, so now I have 1 share and 1.49 1 share. I want to have 2 share, 3 share, 4 share, 5 share. We're not gonna stop until we have it doesn't matter. All right, this is like I'm on a 15-year run right now. All right, so this $426, don't watch the noise of the market. This is working for you. All right, this is gonna be 4,200 and something dollars sometime. All right, it's gonna be 1,000 soon. All right, cause that's where we're going to 500 first and then 1,000. All right, right here on YouTube, and there's no other way around it. You have to have patience. All right, if you're just building a house, you're not gonna. If you just buy a house, you're not gonna sell it tomorrow. If you plant a tree, it's not gonna grow tomorrow. You have to wait a couple years. So why would you want to rich tomorrow? All right, that's not how you get rich, and we're not trying to be rich. We're just trying to make our nest egg like later on in life. All right, this is paying us right now. We're doing all the legwork. All right, trust me, people, from 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, 4 year, 5 year. All right, you gonna have to do the legwork. All right, it's like rolling a snowball. I know you guys hear this a lot of time. Right now we're rolling a snowball up the hill. All right, we want to reach the top of the hill, and for me the top of the hill is 100,000, and then it start going down the other way, and while it's going down, it's picking up snow, and these are the little snow. You see these $37? Now it's 37 workers. All right, and remember, people, this is a business. This is your business. Okay, this is your business, and you gotta treat your business like a real business. Only thing, you don't have a supervisor, you don't have a manager, you don't have a worker. They don't take day off. When you're sleeping, this is working, and this is how you invest. This is how I invest. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor. Okay, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advisor. This is how I invest. All right, and I'm not affiliated with Fidelity or none of them yet. All right, yes, but this is what I use. All right, and why I choose Fidelity and I use Robinhood also, because fractional share, and this is key, because remember, 25 years ago there was no fractional share. Me and you couldn't invest. All right, you probably have to have $20,000, and it's a lot of fees. All right, so Robinhood and Fidelity and all these brokers, they changed the game with fractional shares. All right, and what we use, our biggest source is money. All right, patient, disciplined, consistent. All right, and listen to me, stick to it. Don't sell. We don't sell in these portfolios, and we don't rearrange. We don't do nothing. All we do is just invest. That's it. That's all you need to do. And see, today we make $1.20. Doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Days gonna come where we make $200, $300. Cause look at this. I'm already making money. You see what I'm saying? I'm already making money on these. This is how you invest. This is how people get rich. All right, you could do a lot of stuff and get rich, but right now, if you Google the two fastest way, or not in fact the best way to get rich, it's gonna say stocks and real estate. All right. So listen, me, my people from the Caribbean, my people from all around the world. If you could get your hands on um some stocks, open a brokerage account, all right, and just follow me. All right, if you want to trade, this is not the channel for you. I don't trade on this channel, I invest. It's a big difference. People who's trading, you know what I mean, they want to make money now. I want to make money later. All right, those people, they take rich. Shout out to those people, they take a lot of risks. I don't take risks like that. All right, I do it the long way. I just invest for the long term and let compound interest do its thing. All right. Yes, just like that. Wall Street don't like this, right? Wall Street know that they can't really make no money. Only thing they could make off of me is a little fees. All right. But listen to me. I'm not losing any contract. I'm not no expiry date on this. All right. It's very simple. You just be consistent every single week, and this every Tuesday. All right. And listen, my people, this is no cut. All right. I don't edit my video, I don't cut. So if you hear me stutter a little, it is. And if my accent is too deep, it's, you know, I'm Jamaican, so sometimes I switch it up, sometimes I just roll in. All right. But this is what we do. Every time we make a deposit, we update. All right. And we talk about stocks. All right. And I show you people that listen to me. Stay the course. Do not sell when the market is down. Like, don't worry yourself. If you have good ETF like this, all right, you don't have to worry. All right. And listen me, every day on this channel, this is what we do. We invest. We don't trade, we invest. So if you're in your 20s, this is good for you. If you're in your 30s, that's the sweet spot to start. All right. 20 is the best. If you're in the 20s, that's the best time to start. You know what I mean? But you got to learn discipline. All right. And people, do your research. These stocks are my stocks. You don't have to buy what I buy. All right. Buy what you buying. Do your research. All right. I do my research. I check my balance sheet. All right. And I just do what I do. All right. I've been investing for 6 years now. And now I decide on YouTube, I'm going to show my fellow people you don't have to have a lot of money to be a good investor. It's just some simple little habits. All right. So listen me. If you like this video or you like my idea, give me a like. Let me know in the comment. All right. Give me a follow if you're interested how to invest for the long term. We will be on this every day. And tomorrow we're going to put some money in our Robinhood account. All right. And then Thursday is our Fidelity or regular Fidelity account. All right. And then Friday we put money in cryptocurrency. All right. Where we have Bitcoin and Ethereum over there. And then on Saturday we put money in our Fundrise. And on Sunday we deposit money in our emergency fund. So if you have emergency fund, you have to, because if you invest and you don't have emergency fund, you are a fool. You're only setting up yourself for failure. Okay, you must have an emergency fund. All right. Yes, and that's what we do on Sunday. So every day we have a video. Okay. And listen me, big up on the damn self. Follow the yard man. All right. Stay invest. Do not sell. Hold on for dear life. Okay. And remember people, investment is fun.